What if I told you that the most important language of the next decade isn't Python or JavaScript, but the language flowing through your mind right now? That with just a few careful chosen words could unlock the true power of AI, shaping how it creates, innovates, and transforms the world around you. This isn't a science fiction, this is the power of prompt engineering. Hey everyone, welcome to DataSurface, where we decode the future of data, AI, and technology step by step. In this series, we will deep dive into prompt engineering, the game changer skill that will define how humans and AI work together in the future. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is prompt engineering? Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Think of AI like a genie and your prompts are wishes. If your wish is unclear, you will get random results. But if your wish is clear and specific, you will get exactly what you want. That's what prompt engineering is all about. Prompt engineering is like giving AI the perfect set of instructions. But instead of coding, you are using natural language. It's the art of asking the right question in the right way so the AI gives you the best, smartest, and most creative answer. So, in simple words, prompt engineering is the art of talking to AI smartly. But why is the so critical? It all comes down to classic principle: garbage in, garbage out. And AI is not a mind reader. First, precision and accuracy. A weak or unclear prompt will always give you generic, useless result. But a well-crafted prompt delivers sharp, actionable information, saving you hours of frustrating revisions. The second one, you unleash creativity. This isn't just for asking simple questions. With the right prompts, AI becomes your co-creator, helping you brainstorm innovative ideas, write scripts, or solve incredibly complex problems. And finally, efficiency and cost savings. Better prompts mean you get the right answer on the first try. That saves time, it saves expensive computing resources, and ultimately, it saves money. And in this AI era, you want to get the desired result, you need to be expert in the art of prompt engineering. So, with the prompt engineering, you can become a close buddy for any AI tool. Just now, we understand the importance of the prompt. So, what does the world class prompt actually look like? It's not just a question, it is a structured instruction with the 5 key components. Role. First, you tell the AI who to be. For example, act as a senior marketing analyst or act as a data engineer. The task. Be crystal clear about what you want it to do. For example, write 3 compelling email subject lines. The next one is context. Give it the necessary background information. Something like, for example, the email is for new productivity app targeting busy professionals. Next one is format. Specify the exact structure of the output. For example, provide the result in JSON array. Last one is constraints or nodes. And finally, set the boundaries and rules. For example, each subject line must be under 50 characters and include an emoji. So master these 5 steps and you will go from getting basic answers to the generating incredible results. So these 5 steps: role, task, context, format, constraints, very important to build better or good prompt. So these names, it might be used in a different context in different way, but the fundamental ideology will be same. For example, some people will say instead of constraints, they will say instructions or rules. Maybe some people will say give us a task, then you can assign the role. But these are the 5 fundamental principles to build a better prompt. Let's bring this to life with a simple example. The difference between a bad prompt and a great prompt is like asking for something with a mumble or unclear versus asking clearly and getting exactly what you want. On the left, we have the bad wish. Imagine you find a magic lamp and you tell your AI genie the most common wish in the world: I wish I was rich. But here is the twist: the genie takes your words literally and suddenly gives you a big bucket of sand because sand is rich in silicon. You got what you said, but not what you really meant. Right? So, this is exactly what happens when your prompt is too short or unclear. The AI doesn't understand your real intention. But now look at the right side. This is the good wish. This is where prompt engineering comes into play. It's not just a wish, it's a well crafted instruction. First, we gave the AI a role, act as a magical genie. We are setting the stage and telling it how to behave. Next, the task makes me rich in the human sense of wealth. So we are clarifying the ambitious goal. Then we add crucial context. I need 1 million US dollar. We are giving it specific measurable details. And finally, the format. Please deposit it directly into my bank account. We are telling it exactly how to deliver the result. See the difference. The first one was unclear and easy to misunderstand. The second one is detailed and makes perfect sense. So here is the takeaway. Don't just hope the AI understands you, guide it. When you give it a role, task, some background and clear format, you turn a confusing request into clear one. That's how you unlock the true power of your AI. This isn't just a neat trick, it's a skill that is already revolutionizing entire industries. In healthcare, it's a powering AI assisted diagnostics from medical scans. In education, it's creating personalized learning plans and adaptive tutors for every student on the planet. In creative industries are using it to turn a simple idea into stunning concept art and scripts in seconds. And business and science, it's automating complex data analysis, accelerating research at an unprecedented pace. Your journey into the most important tech skill of the decade starts right now. Have just unlocked the first milestone. This is what just the Kickstarter, and in our next video, we'll be doing deep dive into the prompt engineering roadmap from beginner to pro. Ready to master the art of AI? Subscribe and hit bell icon so you'll never miss the next step in this journey. Thanks for watching Data Surface. Keep learning and we'll see you in the next one.